bunch of carrots. This is how we did it. So first thing is that we companion planted our carrots with a whole lot of herbs. In our area we've got basil, which has a strong scent which repels carrot flies, carrot aphids, any sorts of things that will try eat at our carrot root crops. We've also got lavender also here, interplanted with our carrots to repel anything that might come for our carrots. So key thing, companion plant your carrots. Interplant your carrots with things that don't require the same amounts of space or nutrients. So we've got our spinach, which is thriving because of the shade that carrot provides. It also does not compete for nutrients. We've also got your carrots interplanted with shorter vegetables. So if we have a look over here, we have coriander, and our carrots is again shading our herbs at the bottom. So we interplanted your carrots with tall things such as your carrot leaves and shorter things that both don't require the same amounts of water and nutrients. So your carrots thrive in this space. So you don't need to have a big space to grow carrots, but you can maximize your space. So let's harvest together. So I'm going to pull out the first one and just tug at it like that. Okay, and of course this is not the ideal size, but we are pulling ours out because we are trying to use this space for our next season crops. So there's our second carrot over there. Shake a bit at the root. We've got a few more carrots over here. So we are two sisters that decided to start a backyard garden homestead, and we are enjoying the perks of having homegrown food. And you can too. So you don't need to have a lot to start. All you need to have is the will to start. And there you go. Carrots in your very own backyard. What was just going to be bare soil or just grass in some instances like ours has now turned into a patch that we can eat from. Beautiful, beautiful carrots that we can use for just about anything. So we've got baby carrots as well, which we could use as snacks over here. So they were planted quite close together, and that's why they haven't grown or exploded in the way we would have wanted. But we do get a lot from the small patch. So as you can see, the ones that are more spaced out are then bigger in size. A beautiful thing about carrots is that it frees up the soil. So whatever we do plant here, the soil is already loose and fluffy. Okay. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like button, subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.